Hello students. Now today we are going to take the next part of isomerism. If you remember, isomerism in complexes was divided into two main sections. First was structural isomerism and second is stereo isomerism. We have discussed all the heads under structural isomerism, right? Now today we are going to discuss about stereoisomers. What are stereoisomers? Stereoisomers are basically the compound which has different spatial arrangement of ligands. Which has different spatial arrangement of ligands. Spatial arrangement of ligands, different spatial arrangement of ligands. इसका मतलब यही है कि हमको मॉलिक्यूल को थ्री डायमेंशनली विजुअलाइज करना पड़ेगा. उसके हिसाब से we can have different stereoisomers. Now you know stereoisomers are further divided into two main parts. It is geometrical isomerism and optical isomerism. तो हमको वन बाय वन लेना है. ज्योमेट्रिकल आइसोमेरिज्म एंड ऑप्टिकल आइसोमेरिज्म एक के बाद एक लेंगे अपन. ज्योमेट्रिकल isomerism or geometrical isomers are also called as diastereoisomers. Geometrical isomers, you know, we are having differentiation as cis and trans, whereas optical isomerism or optical isomers are called as enantiomers. बेटा आपके नोट्स आपको बनाना है. जब ये मैं बताता हूँ आपको, तो यू आर सपोज टू गो थ्रू द वीडियो एंड मेक योर ओन नोट्स. ज्योमेट्रिकल डायस्टेरियोमर्स और ऑप्टिकल और एनांशियोमर्स. सो फर्स्ट वी आर गोइंग टू फोकस नाउ ऑन ज्योमेट्रिकल आइसोमेरिज्म अंडर द हेड ऑफ स्टीरियो आइसोमेरिज्म. ठीक है. नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू गो in geometrical isomerism. Before I go into geometrical isomerism, let us see some simple things. You know students, Cl minus ion, NH3 or Br minus ion or carbonate minus minus, they are all called as monodentate ligands. They are all monodentate. So in geometrical isomerism or in stereoisomerism or anywhere, when we are using the symbol for monodentate ligands, we show it by single variable. Either we can call it as A, or we can call it as B, or we can call it as C, or we can call it as D, and etc. A, B, C, D, E, F, etc. So these are single ligands which are monodentate. Now second type we are having bidentate ligands. Now bidentate ligands, they are of two types: symmetrical and unsymmetrical. Symmetrical bidentate ligands, you know, this COO minus bonded with COO minus, this is called as oxalate or it is abbreviated as OX. So if you cut this, you will find that it is divided into two equal halves. So this is coming under the category of symmetrical bidentate ligand. So symmetrical bidentate ligand are symbolized as AA. Symmetry. If you cut both the blocks, we are getting their same. Another example here is EN, that is ethylene diamine. ethylene diamine का आप example लिख के देखिए, उसको कट करके देखिए, दो इक्वल हाफ का कट हो सकता है. So ethylene diamine and OX, they are called as symmetrical bidentate ligand, which are represented by the symbol AA. Unsymmetrical bidentate ligand मतलब क्या? Say I take this as glycino, which is abbreviated as Gly. So Gly is, we know it is COO minus CH2 and NH2. अब इसकी डेंसिटी यहाँ से भी है और यहाँ से भी है, so it is bidentate ligand, but both the donor atoms, if you cut it from here, we cannot get symmetry. So such ligands which are bidentate are unsymmetrical ligands which are bidentate. So unsymmetrical bidentate ligand we symbolize it as AB. So AA means symmetrical bidentate ligand, AB मतलब unsymmetrical bidentate ligand. A, B, C, D, E, F, G single variable or single symbol which we are using, they are representing monodentate ligand. Understood this? ये background मालूम होना हमको बहुत जरूरी है. Majority of the students do not understand what does AA stands for, what does AB stands for. They don't understand. So you please remember it in mind. I have given examples as well, so you can 100% relate and you can understand it well. Go through the video again and again, you will understand everything. Make your own notes, right? Okay, now we are going to focus on geometrical isomerism. Okay students, now we are going to take geometrical isomerism. So geometrical isomerism, geometrical isomerism can further be divided into two main parts: the complexes with coordination number 4 and complexes with coordination number 6. So we are going to take one by one. So coordination number 4, when I am having coordination number 4, I can have two different geometries. You know, first geometry is tetrahedral and another geometry is square parallel. जहां पे स्ट्रक्चर में रिजिडिटी रहती है वहां पे we can get geometrical isomerism. Now tetrahedral structure beta, if you take, you can see 1 2 3 4. If three-dimensionally I write here one ligand and I write here one ligand, so both of them they are having same position. Sometimes students are confused कि सर मैं एक लिगैंड यहाँ पे लिखता हूँ और एक लिगैंड यहाँ पे लिखता हूँ, ये तो अपोजिट हो गए. नहीं बॉस, ये अपोजिट नहीं है, ये यही अरेंजमेंट है. तो अगर आप टेट्राहेड्रल स्ट्रक्चर लेंगे तो आपको दिखेगा ये और ये और ये और ये कोई भी पोजीशन सेम ही है. So we just don't see geometrical isomerism in tetrahedral complexes. Underlining sentence: geometrical isomerism is not seen in tetrahedral complexes. Okay. Now we are going to focus on square planar complexes. Now square planar complex, you know, they can be written like this. They can be written like this. So I am having a square planar structure. Here I am having metal, and here we can have ligands. So if ligands are on same side, this structure is called as cis. If ligands are coming on opposite side, then it is called as trans. When I am saying ligands are coming on same side and ligands are coming on opposite side, I mean to say that both the ligands are same. So you must have one ligand which is having two number or coming twice in the complex. What does it mean? I take simple example. Suppose I take the type MA2B2 type. अब आपको समझ में आएगा MA2B2 टाइप मतलब क्या? मेटल एक टाइप का लिगैंड दो बार और दूसरे टाइप का लिगैंड दो बार. Let us take the example PT NH3 twice Cl2. तो ये हमारे पास में स्ट्रक्चर आ गया है. अभी ये NH3 है, ये Cl2 है. अब NH3 on same side, NH3 and NH3 on opposite side. So we can have cis and trans structure. So this is the first type which we can have, that is MA2B2 type. Can I have cis and trans isomerism for this type MA2BC type? Yes, I can have MA2BC type. So MA2BC type के लिए मैं एग्जांपल लिखता हूँ. सेकंड एग्जांपल I am writing here platinum. I can write here NH3 twice. I can write here Br. I can write here Cl. See now NH3 is twice. So NH3 can be on same side. NH3 can be on opposite side. So this also can have cis trans isomerism. This with respect to ammonia it can be cis. With respect to ammonia it can be trans. Very important example now we are going to take, which is unfortunately not given in our new textbook, which is e-textbook. उसमें दिया नहीं है, लेकिन अपने को याद रखना पड़ेगा. This is very important from our exam point of view. It is not given. Now I can take here of M, A, B, C, D type. All ligands are different. So can I get here different type of isomers? Yes, I can get. Here I can get cis trans. Here I can get cis trans. Two isomers. Here also I can get two isomers. But in this particular case, which is very important, MABCD type, I can have total 3 isomers, out of which 2 will be cis and 1 will be trans. Let us see how we are going to have 2 cis and 1 trans with respect to MABCD type. This is to be considered as for square planar complexes. So I am now writing for MABCD type. Let us take one example of MABCD type. I write here MABCD. This is square planar geometry. Square planar geometry. And this is also, here I write. This is also square planar geometry. I write here M. Sorry. M 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4. So I am writing here M A B C D. Now if you want to make different isomers, you fix the position of A and rotate these ligands. So I am fixing A here and I am now bringing B here, B here, C here. I am now fixing A, I am again rotating, I am bringing this C here, I am bringing D here, I am bringing B here. So only these 3 type of arrangements are possible. Now suppose you consider A and C. So A and C are opposite to one another. Here if you see A and C, they are adjacent to one another, and here also if you see A and C, they are adjacent to one another. So this isomer and this isomer, both of them I can call them as cis with respect to A and C, and this is actually what? trans. So there are two cis and one trans. सर आपने तो A और C के साथ में किया, मेरे को अगर B और C के साथ में करना है तो आप कर सकते हैं. Here you can see B and C, it is adjacent, so it is cis. Here B and C, it is cis. If you see here B and C, it is what? Trans. So with reference to any ligands in ABCD type, you can have three different geometrical isomers, out of which two will be cis and one will be trans. So we have seen first type, second type, third type, which is extremely important. Now we are going to see one very important topic, which is again not given in our new book, but it is given in last year's book, State Board book as well as NCERT book, that is of MAB2 type. MAB2 type. What is AB? What is AB? AB is unsymmetrical bidentate ligand. What is the example of this? I told you just now. I told you as glycino, which is abbreviated as GLY, right? So ये भी हमको दिखा सकता है. Let us see how it is shown. I am taking the example. Example is platinum. So diglycino platinum 2 complex it is. Diglycino platinum 2 complex. इसका example देखते हैं अभी. So let us check it out for platinum glycino. Now we are going to take platinum glycine twice or diglycino platinum. Glycine I can write like this: NH2, CH2, and I can write here COO minus bidentate ligand. यहाँ से भी दे सकता है लोन पेयर, यहाँ से भी दे सकता है. सो मैं पहला वाला एग्जांपल लिखता हूँ यहाँ पर इस तरह से. I can write here platinum. I can write plus glycine molecule. So I can write here NH2. I can write here CH2. I can write here COO. So ये यहाँ से दे रहा है, यहाँ से दे रहा है. So NH2 here. Second, first glycine molecule लिख लिया. Second glycine molecule also I can write NH2, CH2, COO. ये भी दे रहा है और ये भी दे रहा है. क्या दिख रहा है बॉस इनको? इन प्लैटिनम डाइग्लाइसिनो प्लैटिनम 2 में क्या दिख रहा है? NH2 and NH2 are on same side. COO also are on same side. So this isomer is 100% which isomer? It is cis isomer. Can I write trans for this? I can write trans. How I can write? I can take another complex. I can write here PT 1 2 3 4. I can write here NH2. Here I can write CH2. Here I can write COO. Now NH2 on this side is giving, it is also giving. Now I reverse it. I write here NH2. I write here COO and it is joined with CH2. So here I can see that NH2 and NH2 are lying on opposite side. They are also donated. So this particular isomer is which isomer beta? Trans isomer. So we are having 4 different types for coordination number 4. A2B2 is with respect to cis and trans, A2BC, cis and trans with respect to A. ABCD total isomers are 3, 2 cis, 1 trans, and fourth is MAB2 twice, that is unsymmetrical bidentate ligand. कोऑर्डिनेशन नंबर 4 के साथ में हमको आइसोमेरिज्म अच्छी तरह से समझ में अभी आ गया है. ज्योमेट्रिकल आइसोमेरिज्म